Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're putting the finishing touches on this build. I'm mostly working with the earth tones because somewhere along the way, this project naturally turned into a nature-inspired design. I didn't plan it that way. It just kind of evolved as I kept creating. It definitely took a few turns and twists to get there, but I trusted the process and let my creativity lead the way. Hopefully by the end of this video, you'll be able to see the vision. Let's finish it up. So stoked about how this is turning out. I stepped outside of my comfort zone and experimented with different patterns, textures, and techniques, and I think it all came together really well. This project reminded me that sometimes the best ideas come from simply trying something new and seeing where it leads. It honestly gives me science fair vibes, just experimenting, creating, and having fun with the process. I'm already excited to start planning my next out-of-the-box customization. Who knows what we'll come up with next.